Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited today to be flying out of the C terminal out of LaGuardia Airport. It's a cold winter day in New York City. My glasses are fogging up, but I'll be inside the airport terminal soon. If you haven't already watched my videos on the C and D ground experience at LaGuardia, click the links below. In today's video, I'm going to take you inside. I just walked out of the parking lot at LaGuardia Airport and I'm about to enter the C terminal. This entire side of the C terminal is completely gone. Most departing passengers arrive at LaGuardia by car on the upper departure level, but since I drove and parked in the garage, I had to enter the terminal on the lower arrival level. At this point, you have the option to turn left for Terminal C or right for Terminal D. I turned left and walked over a temporary wooden ramp that went around some construction work. Only the west side of the C terminal looks like it always has. The east side is completely gone. From street level, the only way up to departures is to enter the terminal via the baggage claim area. Only the carousels on the west side of the baggage claim area are accessible now. I'll walk down just a little bit further and then take the escalator up to departures. Alright, I am now on the departures level heading towards the Delta check-in area on the east side. The check-in desks for Spirit, WestJet, and Frontier are behind me. Look at that wall in the distance. That was recently an extended area of the terminal, but has been closed off due to construction. Just a wall behind me. Alright, about to go through TSA here in the C terminal at LaGuardia. There's now only one security checkpoint in Terminal C. It includes Sky Priority, Pre-Check, and Clear. Once through security, you cannot turn right anymore due to the construction, so you have to turn left to get to the gates. I'm going to go into the Delta Sky Club to get a better view of the construction. Right over here is one of the concourses of the C terminal that they've just constructed. They tore down the old concourse and built a new one right over there. Hopefully it'll be open soon and we'll be able to utilize it. The new concourse is going to be astonishing and quite different from what was recently demolished. I just cannot wait to see the final result. This window also provides a view of the new airside bus service, bringing passengers to and from Terminals C and D. I mentioned that these views were from the Delta Sky Club. Stay tuned for a future video that I'll publish which highlights what this Sky Club is all about. Back outside the Sky Club, the food hall remains the same as it was, with many diverse options available, although many food items are now pre-packed due to the ongoing pandemic. Let's head over to the gate area. We're now walking to the original West Concourse, built along with the terminal in 1992. It remains unchanged at this point, but once more new gates open, this is set to be demolished and rebuilt. It's used by Delta, WestJet, Spirit, and Frontier. As we go down the ramp, there are a few more options for eating and drinking straight ahead. The gates flank both sides, as well as the end of the concourse. Here's a gate with a flight to a warm weather destination, very popular during the pandemic. Well, this part of the airport looks the same, but it's not going to look this way for much longer. The centerpiece of this concourse is a wine bar right in the middle that is very aesthetically pleasing, but was not open during the time of my visit. And to the right, the Italian restaurant Cotto was serving customers food with social distancing measures in place. This part of the airport seemed to be a pretty popular place as I walked to my gate at the very end of the concourse. And just a little bit further down, there's some more options if you're in a rush. All right, well, it's time for me to board my flight. I hope you enjoyed this video showing what LaGuardia's C terminal is like during construction in March of 2021. Things are progressing quickly, and I'm glad I was able to share it with you. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe.